Is Bitdefender Password Manager right for you? Let's find out. We'll cover features, usability, and overall experience. Links are in the description for easy access. Bitdefender Password Manager offers secure, user-friendly password and sensitive data management across your devices. Robust encryption keeps your passwords, payment details, and notes safe thanks to zero-knowledge architecture. Only you access your data. Enjoy seamless cross-platform syncing across Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Setup is quick and intuitive, getting you started in minutes. Autofill simplifies logins across websites and apps, eliminating manual typing. A built-in password generator creates strong, unique passwords, minimizing breach risks. Migrating from another manager? Bitdefender's import function makes it easy. New users benefit from straightforward onboarding and helpful guides. Competitively priced, Bitdefender delivers premium security without the premium price tag. Flexible plans cater to individuals and families, ensuring secure access for everyone. Bitdefender Password Manager is an excellent, reliable, and affordable solution. It balances security, ease of use, and compatibility, perfect for tech-savvy users and beginners. Ready to streamline and secure your online life? Explore Bitdefender via the links below.